Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl 𝗲𝗃𝗶𝗶, and today is Money Market Monday. Now, in today's video, what we'll be doing is a top-down analysis from the daily down to the 4-hour down to the 30-minute. And this will always be on 𝗃𝗃 unless we start getting some more pairs called out in the chat. Now, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video whenever it's uploaded. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy the content. Share on social media so others can get into these trades with us, right? And comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your trading week went last week, okay? Now, as always, if you're here, you're interested. So, let's get into it. Now, we start with Forex Factory to see what news looks like for the week for the pair. So, with today, let's see. So, 𝗃𝗃, it looks like a lot of stuff is moving sideways. I'll be looking at Euro USD and UCAD since we got an up and down trend there. But 𝗃𝗃 and AU look to be moving sideways, so just be mindful of that. Let's take a look at our news. So we got quite a bit of news. Oh, this week we don't have a blank Tuesday because that's been funny the past couple weeks. But we do have some news coming out today. Let's see. Quite a bit actually. And I did turn the yellow folders back on for you guys. So yeah, we want to be mindful of, let's see, cash rates. That's at 11:30 p.m. So that might be fun to trade binary, but we'll see. Let's see, the budget release on 𝗃𝗃 with a tentative time. The Fed speaks at 10:40 tomorrow. Yeah, so we'll be very diligent in keeping an eye on the charts with all of the news coming up. And you guys, let's go over to TradingView and I'll show you how to put the little alerts on there, okay? Okay, so go ahead and right click on your chart, go to settings, and then where it says events, you want to show economic events on the chart, show only future events, and then have your event breaks in like a lighter color to contrast against the background color. That way you can actually see them. And I like mine to be the dotted line so I know what they are, because I actually use vertical lines on my chart from time to time. So let's see. So that's how you put the events there. They show up down here, these little dots, and you can click on them and get information. So I do like to have them on my chart also. But it is set for just like red and yellow folders. Or I'm sorry, red and orange folders. But let's get into the markup. So 4-hour daily time frame. As normal, we start out with our trend line. Our little handy dandy trend line. It let us know that the break happened and consolidation was on its way. Let's see. And that might be a fun area to reach if we can ever get back down there or there. Let's try to fib the other way. So let's use this swing and our opposition position here in this little box. If price comes down here, you know, it might actually want to make some moves to the downside. We got quite a bit of seller momentum in this box. Let's see. And we're stuck inside of a daily supply zone. So that's definitely something to be mindful of. But for now, let's go down to the 4-hour and see what everything looks like. Let's zoom out a little bit. Just makes the screen look a little choppy when you go down from time frame to time frame without zooming in. But I want to show you guys some of the differences here, because we did get a nice little uptrend on our 4-hour right here with a clean break. to the downside. We tried to retest, didn't come back up exactly. So we're keeping an eye on that zone. And let's zoom in a little to the for our 4-hour candles. Draw out our fib. And let's box up our zone. So we're stuck in another sell zone. So we're stuck inside of 2 sell zones where sellers should really be like showing up and be kind of powerful. But we've been consolidating. So if we're consolidating, sellers are not showing up, guess who's knocking at the front door? Okay. And let's extend this out because that's the supply zone. Take a look at the most recent upswing and draw out our sale. We didn't get entered into this one. That's why I'm not calling it. Let's see. So let's go back to a bear chart and then let's take a look at our 30-minute analysis. And y'all know every time we start with a trend line, right? And let's see. Nice swing high to swing low here. Gave us some information as far as sellers showing up and touching this box. Didn't really close on the other side, so it lets us know buyers are not very, very present here because we could not break outside of this box. Let's see. We do want to touch that to go back down. So let's see. So we did get buyer pressure here a few times. Let's see. And nothing touching our demand zone. So what I would like to do, see how price is coiling in on itself, is getting smaller and smaller. I would like to see price break either to the upside or downside. When we go back to our daily chart, right now we're inside of a new buy candle. So we'll see how this goes. But that is actually going to wrap us up for now. So as normal, if I do not have the specific parameters for us to enter in on a trade on our video, you can go over to tradingview.com and follow me on TradingView. I am 𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗴 on all platforms, right? And you can go ahead and see the setup there. As soon as I find an entry, I will publish the post and you will see the notification there. It will have your entry, your take profit, and your stop loss. Okay. But yeah, that'll wrap us up for the day. I actually, if I take a look, let's go back to Forex Factory. If I take a look at Euro USD, I might actually publish that one too, because I like for us to win a little bit during the week. So one of these two, Euro USD or UCAD, might give us some movement to get us in if I don't see one for ACAD shortly. So I'll look for both. I might actually mark up a different pair for the channel this week. We shall see though. But as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to wrap this up here and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cousins.